So this is how you can fix CAPTCHAs not working in your Chrome browser. So if they're not working or if they're simply just not popping up, you can simply just remove the Chrome or exit and then open it back up. And after that, your CAPTCHAs will now pop up. But if pop-up is not your problem, then I got you. If somehow you're ticking all the right boxes, for example, select all images with cars, click verify once there are none left. So now I'm gonna go ahead and click these cars. And after we finish clicking on the cars, and if we tap on verify, sometimes it doesn't let us. And that can be really annoying. So how do we actually fix this? Well, the sad answer is these captchas are incredibly flawed. So there's really no way of fixing them unless you keep trying and trying until you get the right questions and the right answers. So I'm really sorry to just not come up with the right answers or not give you the right answers, but yeah, that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just keep trying, and then you will soon verify your CAPTCHA, and you can go on ahead and go back to whatever you were doing before the CAPTCHA arrived. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.